Let me show you how to calculate grades of all students in Excel, and even totals and average for all students. So to calculate the totals, you have to select all the subject and then press Alt is equals to, and here you have your totals. For the average is equals to, type average, then go and select all the subjects and then close your bracket, press on enter. So what you do, go and autofill the rest of the cells, and here you have your average. So to calculate grades, here is my range. Let me show you by zooming. So if the student have average of above 80, he'll be having A plane, and if he has below 29, he'll be getting E. So let us calculate our grades by starting with is equals to if, then go and select average greater or equal to 80, you'll be having A plane. You just follow the way I'm doing in the formula bar, and don't forget to put comma in between, because the moment you make an error, you will get a wrong answer, or rather, the Excel will reject your formula. So guys, to avoid that, be keen when you are dealing with your formula. You just follow the way I'm doing. And here what you do, you have to close your brackets. In my case, I have 10. So I go and close it. Then press on enter. And here you have grades for all students. So go and autofill the rest of the cells. Just like that. You see, if the student have average of above 80, he has A plane. And if he has between 75 and 80, he has A minor. Just like that. So all you have to do, just create for your own range for grading. Just like that. So guys, if you like this video, give me likes and follow for more. See you.